How to fix Hinge not sending notifications for matches. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can solve if we're not receiving Hinge notifications for the matches that we've been getting. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If Hinge isn't sending match notifications, the issue is related to either the app's settings or your phone's settings. So first, open the Hinge app, then come to your profile page, then tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side and simply look for notifications or push notifications and ensure that you enable all of these notifications over here by tapping the enable button, which will also take you to your application settings, and from here you allow the notifications to enable all of these notifications and especially check for the new matches option over here. Make sure that this is enabled. After you do that, open up settings on your phone as well and also go to your notification settings from your phone, followed by app notifications, and simply search for Hinge and ensure that you've allowed the notifications for the Hinge app from your phone's settings as well. Hopefully after that you will be able to get your notifications on time. That's all for this video. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.